All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 17,000 miles. It's beautiful white with gray vinyl interior. Power windows, power door locks, power windows. Super nice, and best of all, let them damage around. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty damn nice. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire tread is at around 10-30 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. I do see a dent here. Boom. So you can see 3, 6, about 6 inches. So a heavy scratch here. Heavy scratch here and a dent next to that. That's about it for this side. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire tread is at around about 5-30 seconds. Good power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let's check out jump into this vehicle. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right. Get your AM, FM stereo system right here. You get your AC controls right down below. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag light on. Somehow that keeps turning on. I don't know why. Car doesn't have any issues. And tire pressure and a new mileage of 17,763. We do have a backup camera. Boom. Looks good. All right, keeping it moving. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty decent. Doors do swing out. Which of course your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. Your cargo area looks great. Your wheel wells look pretty good. Boom, not too beat up. Here's what one of your doors looks like. Very nice. I don't see any situations this way. This is your other door. Of course they swing out all the way. Hit your little stompers back here. Let's check out what your roof looks like from the back, from the sides. We'll check this out. All right, so you can see we look pretty good. Over here on the edge, I see some dents. I'm gonna go check that out in a minute. So this quarter, yep, I see it up there. We'll take a close-up shot of that. Of course, these doors look pretty good. We have some dents here. Some dent up there somewhere. Where did I just see it? Right there. Right there's a dent. You can actually see it here on the door. On the sliding door, there's a dent as well. A dent here and a couple more here and there. Door does function correctly, so that's not a problem. Here's what your side cargo area looks like. Boom. Let me get up there with a ladder. Actually, yeah, this door has a dent there. Let's see if we get up here. Boom. Here's what it looks like over here. Dent following down there. The dent down here. Alright. From the top, you just got that dent right there. That I was showing before. Pretty much it. Door opens and closes as well. Now with that door being open, we'll check this out here. And of course the dent that continues on like that. All right. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel and your tire tread here is at about 6-30 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Looks good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. A-tire third. Is at all around 11:30 seconds. Light to working cars, running things are great. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 17,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.